Something still not sit well with me.
Give me them something there. Them clean.
That means she like you for real then?
Why you have to say that? She can't just genuinely give me a gift for Father's Day.
I understand your concern this far. Because Celine's job is really getting close to people.
I think I know what you think, Bubbles. Whisper, you think Mr. Mullins a pray for something?
Maybe not me. Maybe he just not trust Patsy because of her gift.
Here one. Keep this on the front burner. If she come close to you again or make any kind of move, just let me know. That's it for now.
For me to help you, you have to trust me. I have to know what's blocking the healing process.
A gunshot a block it, nurse. And that's why I can't move around. And that's why I lay down on my back here, so. Can't move around.
Sheldon, calm down. Your surgery was successful. Whatever is happening to you now is psychological. It's obvious you're holding on to something or not letting something go.
Doc, give me a second.
Terry. Call me Terry.
Okay, Terry. Listen me. I move from up and about and I get things done to put my back. No one have to depend on people. You have to understand my frustration.
That's the issue. You have to accept what has happened and slowly work through it.
But I've been try that, Doc.
You're not trying hard enough. And you're angry. What's keeping you this angry? Sheldon, to start the healing process, you have to think it, believe it, move it. It's all signals.
You never know, no, Terry. I really want to feel independent against her. Because the people around me, my sister, them tired of me, you know. I just read things make them not say it.
It's natural to feel this way, but use this to motivate your healing. Come on. I want to try something with you. I'm putting you to sit up with your feet off the bed.
You sure about that?
Shh. Just try it for me.
Yeah, little, but you're strong still, you know.
There's a whole lot more to me than meets the eye.
Terry, you sure?
Do you trust me?
Yeah, I know.
No, I'm going to hug you. Try and press down and get up.
You sure, Terry? You sure? I know I feel nothing down this side, you know.
Sheldon, concentrate.
Terry.
Concentrate. You see that?
Me see that, of course. But you sure I know you lift me up?
No. Well, I was actually helping you, but you eased up. You want to try again?
I feel too tired right now.
No. You need to go again so you can remember what to do.
Feel like a little baby star.
That's okay. Consider me your mother. I won't let you fail.
Where are we? It's not good enough.
Sheldon, you have to concentrate.
Hold on, Nancy.
Sheldon.
Sorry about that, man, but yeah, smell good enough.
I'm wearing cherry blossom. And you're wearing savage.
Wait, you know, cologne, man.
By the way, you wear it well.
Respect, man. Very easy in a nursery.
I'm going to help you through this, okay?
Anything you say, no, Doc. I mean, Terry.
But I need you to believe. I'm back. Oh, Tonian. Well, Sheldon, that's my cue. I'll see you on the next session.
What happened?
None.
Make sure you're here.